Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add categories in Shopify. The first thing you want to do once on your Shopify admin page, I want you to go over to the top left hand corner and you're going to tap on products. After you have tapped on products, you're going to see the products that are currently on your Shopify store, but below products, you're going to see collections. You're going to tap on collections. After you have tapped on collections, what I want you to do next is go over to the top right hand corner and you're going to select create collection. After you have tapped on create collection, you're going to add the name of the first category that you would like to create. For this tutorial, I'll be creating two categories. So my first category will be colors. So I'll put in colors right here. After you have done that, you're going to scroll down. After you have scrolled down, you have two options. You can either automate the way how the products are chosen to be placed in a category. So for example, you could add a certain product tag or condition, but I would recommend that you select manual. So you're going to tap on manual, then you're going to tap on save in the top right hand corner. Once you have saved it, you're going to scroll back down, staying on the same page. And then from there, you're going to see the option browse right beside search products. You're going to tap on browse. Then you are going to add the products that you would like to add in the first category. Then tap on add. Once you have done that, as you can see right here, I've created my first category. Also, if you would like to add a thumbnail image, you can add an image right there for each category. After you have done that, you can go back. Then once back, you're going to tap on create collection once more in the top right hand corner. And we're going to name our second category. So let's say my second category is named test. So I'm going to type in test right there. Then I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to select manual once more. After selecting manual, you're going to tap on save in the top right hand corner. Then you're going to scroll down and I want you to tap on browse once more and you're going to select the other product or products that you would like to add in the other category. Once it has been saved, as you can see right there, so we now have two categories created. After you have done that, all you'll need to do is go over to the left hand menu option once more and you're going to tap on online store. After selecting online store, I want you to tap right where you see navigation, which is below the left hand menu option. You can see the drop down menu. You're going to tap on navigation. Once you have tapped on navigation, you will be redirected to the menus page. And I'm going to be showing you what to do from there. So we'll select navigation. Once it loads up, I'll show you what to do next. Once on this page, I want you to tap right where you see main menu. You're going to tap right there. After you have done that, you're going to tap at the bottom of the page right where you see add menu item. We're going to tap right there. Then from there, you can type in your first category, which would be colors for my example. Then you're going to tap on search or paste. After you have done that, you're going to tap on collections. Then from there, you can select the collection or the category that we had created. After you have done that, you're going to tap on add in the bottom right hand corner. Once you have done that, you're going to tap on add menu once more. Then from there, you can type in the name of your second category, which for my example was test. Then you are going to tap on collections and from there you will select the category. Then tap on add once more in the bottom right hand corner. Once you have added both product categories, you can move it into the position you would want it on the main menu. So for example, I want mine to be right below the home button or the home icon. So I'm going to drag it right here. And then I'm going to drag this one right here. After you're finished, all you'll need to do now, I want to delete catalog also, as I don't need that. So I'll delete catalog. Then I'm going to tap on save menu. Once you have saved the changes, if I were to go back over to the left hand menu option, tap on view your online store, you will see the different categories at the top right here. So someone could tap on colors and they'll be able to access all of the color products that I have. If they were to tap on the second category, they could see it right there. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.